In today's video, we will learn how to increase video quality. First, open Capcut app. Tap New Project and add your video clip. Tap Video Adjustment. Adjust video as shown above. Export your video clip. After exporting video clip, minimize Capcut. Now open Link app. Link app download link in first comment. Tap Image Quality. Tap Video Enhancement or Ultra HD. Click on Try Now. Select video clip which we export on Capcut. Click on OK. Wait for video enhancement. Your video is enhanced. Save your video. Tap Continue and enhance your video 2 or 3 times. Add the video we saved just before. Your high-quality video is ready. Save your video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.